Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Teams and joining the meeting or channel where the work belongs. Click Share, then select Microsoft Whiteboard. This instantly creates a collaborative canvas. Once done, enable participant access so others can edit. This prevents delays and keeps everyone aligned. You should name the board and pick a simple layout because structure speeds collaboration. Set permissions and tell people where to find the file. This first step gets everyone ready to contribute without friction, and it preserves a record. You now structure the board so ideas don't collide. Create frames for each topic and label them clearly. Use the pen for freehand, the highlighter for emphasis, and sticky notes for short action items because each tool communicates differently. Once done, insert images or shapes to anchor concepts, and use the grid or lines to align content. Make sure to zoom and pan when diagrams grow large. That helps maintain readability. Explain each frame aloud so participants follow the flow and stay on task. You finish by reviewing frames and exporting the board as a PNG or the native whiteboard file so nothing is lost. Once done, assign action items using sticky notes and mention people in chat to create accountability. Make sure to save and close properly. If collaborators can't edit, check permissions first. If edits disappear or don't sync, reconnect to Teams, refresh the board, or open the standalone whiteboard app that often restores changes. One quick tip: verify participant access before heavy edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.